Good afternoon. This video will provide you with a demonstration and instructions as to how to enroll your staff members into the corresponding department election day professional learning workshop. To begin, go to Protraxx and log in. Now, in the past, we've demonstrated how to manage enrollment using the quick enrollment feature, which will allow you to add staff members one at a time by searching their name. Using the create enrollment feature, I can enroll an entire department or building into one activity. I will use create enrollment and begin with, I need to know the name of my activity. I'm presuming you'll remember the name of your activity or a few words within the name. For instance, I can type in best practices to get the best practices in writing instruction, which is the secondary English language arts. However, if I had forgotten the name for any reason, I could also pull up the complete list of activities by typing in the start date of November 3rd, and then to keep the list short, also the end date of November 3rd as well. And that provides me with the full list of election day activities. Once here, I see best practices in writing instruction, so if I'm the English language arts supervisor, I would select that. And now all that is required is for me to get the list of my teachers. Rather than type them in one at a time, what I would recommend is you can narrow your search down to either a building level or a title. So in this case, I'm looking for English teacher. Now I do see that there are English team leader, English/social studies teacher, that I may have to repeat this, but just by selecting that and say if I narrow it to a single school, I can search participants, and all the teachers at that school that carry that title will show up in the list. From here I can very easily select them all and then enroll them. You'll notice that having done this as you as the supervisor, they've all been automatically approved. If I needed to go back so that I can get another school at which I work, I should be able to use my browser back button. Change the location to a different school. Hit search participants again. And again select all. Now, because there were a couple of different titles, I may want to be careful, and I notice potentially that someone's missing, or I notice that some teacher is already enrolled. But if I'm certain that that's the enrollment, I click enroll. Because I'm a little bit curious about the other titles, I may just choose to go in and say, okay, who is that English team leader? Change the school to all so I can see who this is. And I notice, okay, no one has come back. So that's potentially a title that's no longer being used. Likewise, I search under that title. So confident that I have everyone, or obviously you know who your folks are. You would be able to verify that everyone has been selected and your task is complete.